Are you tired of pests and bad smells in your garden? Just one piece of charcoal and garlic powder can fix it instantly. You only need a charcoal piece, a spoon of garlic powder, and string. Place the charcoal at the base of the stem, tie it gently, and sprinkle garlic powder on the charcoal. Charcoal absorbs moisture, odors, and fungus. Garlic powder's strong smell repels ants, flies, and mosquitoes. Together, they keep your garden fresh and pest-free. For extra protection, sprinkle more garlic powder around the roots. And crush old charcoal into the soil for healthier plants. And that's it. Tie charcoal with garlic powder around the stem and watch your garden transform. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural hacks.